to our YouTube channel Smart Kids. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to visit library. After pandemic, this is the first time Riyansh is going inside. These are the opening hours of library. We already had some books. First we will return it. So we are going for book return. Riyansh like to scan books while returning as well while checkout. You should let your kids do this process as they will understand the library system. Kids enjoying this, they like to do it. Now we are going to see so many books and we'll choose some for Riyansh. You know, you can issue up to 50 books for free. Isn't it great? So my friends, get a head start on reading by visiting library. It will connect you with books and you can discover a great big world of learning all while you stay home. We are going to select books as per his choice, favorite character, favorite topics. He is choosing his book. It includes phonic books, soundbox books, rhyming words, the books based on ready to go, the pre-level 1 and level 1. You must have this question in your mind: if you are looking for a specific book, how you will find it. So friends, within this section, books are organized alphabetically by the last name of the author. Secondly, you can also use the library computer to look through the catalog and locate specific book. The computer will tell you what section the book is in. And at the last, if you have any doubt, you can always ask the librarian where you can find certain books or particular author. They are always there to help you. See the ambience of US Public Library. It's very nice, big, clean with all facilities. Today there are more than 60,000 public libraries in the United States. They organize different programs and these all library programs are usually free and open to the public. Now time for check out the books. For checkout, first you have to scan your library card, then scan your books, which will tell you your due date, and run the books through a machine. Usually you can renew your books 2 or 3 times if you need more time. Start your reading by visiting library. It will connect you with books and you can discover a great big world of learning. As you can see, we issue 40 books and it's free. Then why we should not take advantage of such libraries? This is all about our library visit. If you like, please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for latest video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.